What factors affect the cost of vinyl fencing?
In this video, we'll be discussing the various factors that can impact the cost of vinyl fencing. We'll cover everything from the material quality and fence style, to installation costs and maintenance requirements.
What role does material quality play in vinyl fencing costs?
When it comes to vinyl fencing, the quality of the material can have a significant impact on the overall cost. Higher quality vinyl will generally be more expensive, but it's also likely to be more durable and long-lasting. Lower quality vinyl may be more prone to issues like fading, cracking, or warping, which could lead to additional costs for repairs or replacement down the line.
How does fence style affect the price?
The style of the fence can also influence the cost. More elaborate designs with intricate details, customizations, or unique features will generally be more expensive than simpler, more basic styles. Additionally, taller fences or those with added security features like gates or locking mechanisms may come at a higher price.
Are installation costs a significant factor?
Yes, installation costs can be a major factor in the overall cost of vinyl fencing. Some factors that can affect installation costs include the complexity of the project, the terrain of the property, and the labor rates in your area. It's important to get multiple quotes from different contractors to ensure you're getting a fair price.
What maintenance requirements can impact costs?
While vinyl fencing is generally low maintenance, there are still some upkeep tasks that can affect the overall cost. For example, occasional cleaning or the replacement of damaged sections may be necessary. However, these costs are typically minimal compared to other fencing materials, such as wood, which requires more frequent maintenance like staining or painting. In summary, several factors can affect the cost of vinyl fencing, including the quality of the material, the style of the fence, installation costs, and maintenance requirements. By being aware of these factors and considering them in your decision-making process, you can make an informed choice about the best vinyl fencing option for your needs and budget.